Welcome to the Intercontinental Academy of Household, Hotel and Resort Management and Development in association with Mongiello Associates, Strategic Marketing and Laurel.
Yeah, hey, I'm Marty Mongiello. Great to have you here at the Inn of the Patriots Bed and Breakfast and the United States Presidential Culinary Museum. Today I'm going to go on ahead and present on a situation where I lacked motivation at work. And one of the things our doctor at the university asked me to do for this presentation is to reflect on the consequences of experiencing low motivation. So this is, asking, did it affect your performance and work attitudes? And yes, it did. And this is actually extending from one of our junior CEOs who sits on the board at 15 years old of our Gen Z board. And we have even younger ones coming in. And they said, oh, I want to have a Ronald Reagan song of a current meme that's funny or something. I don't even know what I'm talking about. It's like it's a joke about the president. It's making fun of him, and so right away, being 60 years old in the hotel industry my whole life, your whole motivation towards this is like, and it's not good. So I think, the thing behind this is, they wanted to apply one motivation theory, okay, and describe its key concepts. And so, honestly, today, some of my references, the Journal of Hospitality and Tourism. And I want to just say, with that, when you start reading these doctoral, theses and published papers and whatnot, you quickly come to realize that you can't just dismiss young people today, okay? It's not good. It's not cool. It's not healthy. And doing that, in the Reagan exhibit you can see here today, you can see the beautiful gold Reagan china and many of the things, including President Reagan's black phone that connected directly at 2 o'clock in the morning. This was by his bed everywhere he traveled around the world, connected directly to the White House switchboard, many other things, Jelly Belly, other china of his. But I'm going to go on ahead and put this recommendation in there today with a QR code. And this is by Lemon Demon, the song that was done called Reaganomics. And so, we are excited to add this to the museum here. So in applying a motivational theory, I would say it's great to not only hear today's generations of Alpha, Gen Z, and Gen X. Of course, I'm an Xer, but you got to hear the baby boomers and the silent generation, but you also have to hear the millennials. But not only hear them, but listen to what they have to say and to put it into effect and do things. Okay, I listened to the song. There was nothing wrong with it. There was nothing actually. It's a funny song. Okay, it's not an old person song, but there was nothing wrong with it. And I think it's a great opportunity to showcase we are paying attention to today's young generation. And so this was a significant concept that I learned from the theory, that caused a decrease in my motivation initially for all you old hoteliers out there in your 50s, 60s, 70s, and 80s, running hotels, running resorts, and working with today's generation, because sometimes they will say, people I talk with, oh, I don't understand them. I hate having them as employees. It's well, how about viewing them as a team member and stop using the word employee? Okay, that's another great thing. And then finally, I would say today, these are key concepts of these theories. Okay, you'll see this again and again in the studies. Listening to them, hearing them, acting on their suggestions, being open, having the open door policy. They are not the same as you. They did not grow up in your era over the 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s, 80s, or 90s. They did not, okay? But that's fine. And based on my chosen motivation theory, sharing those strategies was a requirement. And best practices that could be used to enhance motivation in the situation. So for myself, I first, like, my initial reaction was like, no. Okay. So I realized immediately, based on my behavior, that is wrong. It's poor leadership on my part, poor management, unacceptable behavior as a leader. And, you know, a person today, like the same thing I hated when I was a kid. Everything I had to say, every suggestion, my music that I listened to, my slang, no, 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 and no. And you get tired of hearing no, so you develop hate and anger and festering towards people who are supposedly leading you. So, you know, to enhance motivation in yourself in dealing and working with these team members of these generations, I would say have a more open mind. Listen to what they're saying, hear it, but also then go, like in this case, listen to the music, check it. There's nothing wrong with it. This is a cool, great thing that other young folks are going to come into this museum, into this country and see this, and they're going to be inspired by that. And I'm going to be thinking to myself, I'm so thankful for listening to today's generations and to our 15-year-old CEO who sits on this board, and modernized actually a Ronald Reagan exhibit. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate you taking a couple of minutes to watch this video. And my references are included, as well as for my doctor, Dr. Teeter at National University.
Welcome to the Intercontinental Academy of Household, Hotel and Resort Management, Village Maid.